Hey guys, welcome to Punky's World. It's a daily journal, but we're gonna make the fudge. I'm also gonna clean that. Open this. I also have an unboxing that we're gonna do in the same video because I already made the soup video at 9 o'clock last night. Because we're going to take it up today. So, I need to clean my, This has got to be scraped out of here. I'm just going to put that right there in the soup pan for a moment. And grab this. Oh, I got to clean myself. Anyway, grab this to pull all this out. Sweetened condensed milk, so it's got sugar and cooked down. Almost into what they call a dulce de leche, which is a caramel made with milk. Alright, I'll put this on the table for us to deal with. That didn't come from the post office. That's my Walmart order. That came from FedEx. But anyway, I use this. I'm gonna pay close attention to this. The only trick to this is to remember to shut it off before you put the vanilla in, because if vanilla cooks it will lose its flavor, especially real vanilla, because flavor will evaporate. It's alcohol based, so yeah, that's important. I've got once this is hot, then you add the semi-sweet chips, also sometimes called bittersweet. They're excellent. Because you don't want the milk chocolate one. I'm going to spray the pan so I can get them out of here myself. There we go. Okay. You do not want to burn the milk. Another reason, aside from melting the chocolate, another reason you want to heat up the milk is it gets a little bit thinner. Easier to work with. Put the chocolate in. And we stir. Once this is fully melted, and you take it off the heat, stir in the vanilla. You want to keep stirring this, because believe me, chocolate and milk both burn. Now, if you wanted to, you could make your own sweetened condensed milk, but it would be a pain. If you'd have to put sugar in milk, you'd have to cook it for flipping ever, very slowly, until it condenses down. Yeah, it would not be good. Okay. This is melted. remove it from the heat. Whoa, that's enough. I don't measure this stuff. I'm just going to stir it a little bit more because there are a couple of lumps and I want to make sure that all the chocolate is melted. I do know it's solidified in this pan, however. Let's show it. Yum! This will go tomorrow. This has to be refrigerated and still feel the heat off that burner. Oof. This has to be refrigerated. So most fudge you don't want to refrigerate. This is a different kind of fudge recipe. So this one you do refrigerate. I haven't put parchment over it, however. Most fudge, if you refrigerate it, becomes sticky. But that's different. This is quick fudge, as you saw. This is going to go in the fridge. Let me show it to you. That's it. Fudge. Pretty easy. Sorry, guys. There. Sit you on the bottom shelf, I guess. Yeah. There we go. Good. Good. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna clean the crock pot. I have a good sponge. So I will clean the crock pot. I just have a couple of issues on the outside. Yuck. I want this thing to look nice. First time it's traveled, so I wanted to have a nice bath before it travels. Get that off the side. I'm going to use a little soap. I love that you can control how much soap comes out of that spray. Well, been bathed with soap and water, that's all I can do. So let me do the outside. Front, this side. Okay, now rinse my sponge. And wipe it off. Wipe off the excess soap. Much nicer. Much nicer. Okay. That's cleaned. That's for the fudge. These are the recipes. I need the one for the fudge, but I do not need the one for the potato because she made a recipe board for the soups. So. need to change your battery. Okay. I'm back. That pod, even though it bounced around and it did quite a bit, did a very nice job. Okay. It's so wet, but I don't even need it anymore. I see what she was talking about. My girlfriend turned me on to this citizen. I was using it at her house, actually, on my shoulder. It felt so good. Comes in this big case. Actually, this is bigger than her case. That's weird. Anyway. You know what? It's not that heavy either, which is good. Here it is. No, not heavy at all. It's about the same weight as hers. Pull this out. The light has a fan up there. I'm going to keep it from overheating. There's the plug. There's the 2 extras, which I don't think they clip onto it in any way. I think they're just extras. So this is the, see, hers didn't come with a box quite like this one. Anyway, let me show you. Okay, these are attachers to attach some of these. Okay, it has some slightly different heads. It does have 2 round ball heads, one big and one small. It has this, which would be great for hands. This is phenomenal for the shoulders. This wouldn't be bad for the shoulders either. There's one that's for the head. Not that I would use it on my head, mind you. That's for the hand. I believe that's for the hand as well. You know what one works really well on the hand? Where is it? This one. Because the shape of it, it's meant. So yeah, this is awesome. Put all this back in here. I love the setup. What is this up here? Oh, that's this. Okay. Okay. Then these are to clip. I might be to clip these on, actually. No, I don't know how these clip on. But anyway. Oh, the other one's just a heavy rubber ball. You know what this would be good for? Hand exercises. Actually, put the spiky one on the bottom here, because, yeah. I'm very happy. Yeah. That's the instructions. Put that back there. And put these back here in this little pocket. That goes right there in that little pocket. Plug goes in that little pocket. And I have a happy soft little. You know, I'm going to keep this until I've used it a couple times, but I'm pretty sure it's fine. And let me show you. Okay, this is the gun. Plug these 2 balls, the extra fittings up here, and this is all of the heads. That is freaking awesome. I'm going to get down to 6. love the fact that it goes in a case. I don't need to keep the box, but I'm always looking for a box for this, that, or the other, so this is going in the hallway. It's a nice box. And I got some mail, including mail from my mother. Yay. Okay, what is this from WellCare? What are they not covering now? Oh, changes. Okay. You filled a prescription for Symbicort. This drug will no longer be covered. Are you kidding me? Well, that doesn't work. Freaking starting me over again. My husband was under control with that. What is this? Ask you to complete the attached patient experience form. Oh, got it. So I'm gonna have to call the doctor to tell them that they don't cover my Symbicort anymore, or that they won't be. Let me take my pills and my Symbicort. Oh, and it had to be my most expensive drug too, right? Which is probably why they're not covering it anymore. Because it's like an $1,100 a month drug. So yeah, fun. So I will have to call the doctor's office. Okay. I did the best I could on the inside, because you can't really submerge it because it's electric. So to call the doctor's office. Well, I'll have to wait till after 1:30, but yeah, or till 1:30. I want to make a quick video of checking out the microphone. I won't be posting that. I just want to check it out. So thank you for joining me. God bless you. Having a wonderful rest of your day. I have no idea what videos are going to look like tomorrow in terms of time. We do have a Dough Friday going up today, so check that out as well. God bless you. Please stay safe. Come out to Oktoberfest if you're in the area. It's 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., so you'll be able to come at your leisure. And what else? I guess that's it. Just check out my links. Bye, guys. Mwah.